Let's dive into how to use the Woodpecker app as a teacher. First things first, download the app. Search, download, and install the app in the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store for Android. Choose your language preferences. Woodpecker's home screen automatically adapts the content you see, and it will automatically download the dictionaries you and your students need based on the language preferences set. Let's explore the app. Whenever the app opens, you will always see the video player, and it will show video content in your target language. This is free to use. We'll dive deeper into this in a second. Tap to open the web browser. This section is free for select websites in each target language. We'll talk about this more soon. Tap to open the dictionary. You can type a word into the search bar or browse your full word lookup history here. As a paid add-on, you or your students can export all or select words from their word history. Touch into a word to see more details. Our dictionaries are powerful and free of advertisements. We allow for deep dive exploring into the content. Search for a word, tap into that word, maximize the pop-up, then you can tap into a new word if needed. Our dictionaries were created from open source content, so if you need more details, you can always click through to the definition source. How do you find content to watch? Let's head back to the video player. As teachers, one of our biggest challenges is finding the right content for students, and the right content with native language subtitles. Woodpecker puts all of that content at your fingertips. Start with our recommended playlist. We have curated content for learners at all levels in all 5 of our target languages: English, Spanish, French, Chinese, and Vietnamese. Titles were translated to make it easier for learners to choose a video. This is a great place for self-study. Tap below to view all channels. All visible channels are in your preset target language and include subtitles in the target language. For Chinese, as of January 2020, there are over 70 channels available with over 16,000 videos. Other languages have even more videos. Is there a channel that isn't on our list that should be? Email us, team@woodpeckerlearning.com, and we'll take a look and see if we can add it. Or browse by topic to focus your students. You can view all videos labeled educational, variety, cooking, or just about any other topic. This is great if you're doing a unit or section on travel or cooking, for example. You'll be able to find the right content and new words to match. Let's dive into our video player, built for language learning. In portrait mode, you can browse the full subtitle stream, tap on any word or any timestamp to watch and hear that section, touch repeat to replay a phrase again and again, or slow down the video to 75% speed. Flip to landscape mode for full screen viewing. You can either view one subtitle stream in the target language, and if the video has multiple subtitles uploaded, you can select and see up to 2 sets of subtitles. Now assign a video to your students. Once you've found a video, you can share the video link to your students. When they click the link, it will open inside the Woodpecker app. Head back to the web browser. The web browser is free on at least 4 websites per target language. If you have other websites that you want your students to read, let us know. We can create a content code for you, giving you the power to choose what sites your students see for free. Use content codes to do more. Once your student enters the code in their app, they will see your pre-selected sites in their bookmarks. We can create a content code for you which opens up additional websites and resources for your students. You can even create a study guide for a video or an article with Google Docs and include it with your content code and your students' bookmarks. This allows your students to use the Woodpecker dictionaries to look up words in your assignments or class notes. The possibilities are endless. You have thousands of videos at your fingertips, all with interactive subtitles. Dive into content that interests your students, or turn it to them. What can your students find that interests them? One idea? Have your students find, watch, and do a report on something from one of the educational channels. They can present new words and a recap of the video topic and opinions, as well as their own takeaways. How will you use this tool? Let us know what you need, and let us know what you've done. We always want to hear from you.